Hello everybody, you hear my voice from Rita Group front end YouTube channel. This lesson in CSS is about using background in CSS. Now I wanna download the background for my example. Or maybe let me please find. Okay guys, I download this background and I wanna set this picture for my website background. I add my image to my HTML file. Okay guys, for background I can add my background to body, write body in statuses and set background image. Here I should write URL and now link my background. Let's go see the result. Can you see guys? This is our background, but this is our picture. It's two different. Now we can set up our background in which way show we want. Okay, we have many value for background. Background repeat. I set this to no repeat. Now background repeat. Sorry, because we have that here. Background repeat, no repeat. It means don't repeat my background. For example, let's see if I set this to repeat. Now it's not work, but background size, for example, 200 pixel. Can you see this repeated? But if I set this to no repeat, and this is not repeat, just one time show. Okay, I wanna set background size to 100%. Can you see our background is fixed and this is good for us. Now, for example, I don't want header, division, paragraph with lorem. This is our site, can you see? But now I wanna add another division of this. Now our background, when we scroll down, is finished because this is 100 pixel, 100%. How we can fix this? Okay guys, we should set background attachment to fixed. Can you see our background always in the view? But we have, for example, another value for this is the default value of a background attachment. Now I set this to fixed. Okay, let's check. We have another property, background position. What is this? For example, imagine we set background size to 800 pixel, 18%. Sorry me. And now our background is here. Can you see? Not here. Now we want to set our background in the center. Background position center, for example. Can you see this center? But we can add another value. For example, right top. Right top. Right top. For example, let me add height for my background 15%, 50%. Right top. If I set this right bottom, go to right bottom. Can you see? Guys, background is a good property, an easy property. Train with this. You just learning with training by yourself. Okay guys, we have WTS school and background. We can add, for example, background color, for example aqua. When our background is not load, let's go to aqua. But if our background is load, its background color is aqua by default. But if I set this to, for example, 100 and remove this position, can you see? But if the background is not load, it's aqua. Okay guys, please subscribe our channel to give us more energy. Comment for me everything you have problem in there, and be in contact with me and have a good time. Goodbye.